You know, I don't mind doing these unboxing videos from home, but these things just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, right? I mean, this is a massive box from Motorola. It's their new phone, the Edge Plus. Thank you, Motorola, for sending me. Ramadan Kareem to Motorola as well. Hashtag fastest, loudest, and boldest. So let's take a look and see what's inside here. Ooh, oh wow. Now this is an awesome box. This is what I'm talking about. What a fantastic media box. Alright, so I've got something in here. What does that say? So, Dear Abbas, Ramadan Kareem. And I'll save that for later, but let's have a look and see what's in here. So, we have Jenga, which is cool. I mean, kids love Jenga, so I guess we can go and play with that. Nice. Very cool. Okay, keep that aside. And playing cards. Can never have enough playing cards. Ramadan specialty. Something with Citibank on it. I'm not quite sure what this is. Digital photo displayer. Guys, it's 2020. I'm not sure if anybody still uses a digital photo frame. I mean, you know, you've got Google Assistant, you know, Alexa, Echo Show, all of that. So, digital photo frame. All right. And then what do we have over here? Compact true wireless in-ear headphones. Okay, this looks cool. Verve Buds 300. Voice assistant compatible with Siri and Amazon Alexa. Nice. I think I'll check these out too. Let's put that here. And obviously this is our star of the show, the phone, the Motorola Edge Plus. Let me just see, I can see some things below, so I'm just gonna keep this on the side and continue with what else is in here. So, alright, let's kind of pull that up. Alright, so we have Snakes and Ladders and Ludo. Yay! Enjoy both of these games. And there we go. These are all the playing pieces for that. Quite interesting packaging, I must say. So that is that. Alright, so we've got a stay home, stay safe hashtags at the box. Let's pull that aside. And this is the Motorola Edge. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't really see what the config is on this. But this is Motorola's new flagship. Let's just go ahead and try not to destroy the box while I'm opening it. There we go. Alright, let's stick that there. And so this is the unit itself. We'll come back to it. So the usual stuff, we have safety, regulatory, SIM ejecting tool, README, I guess a quick start guide, and you have a cover very much like the ones that we've seen with other phones. So what do we have over here? This is something that you don't see every day now with phones. I'm not talking about the headset, I'm talking about the 3.5mm. Yep, when was the last time you saw that, right? So this phone has a 3.5mm jack, quite excited about that. And then there is a charger. I'm not sure what the wattage is on this, but I don't think this is super fast like some of the other phones that we've looked at. And finally a USB cable. Alright, so this is the Motorola Edge Plus. Let's go ahead and rip this off. Ooh, this is a beautiful finish. I like it. I like it very much. Doesn't show fingerprints either. It's got a big hefty camera pump, but you know what? The phone is thick, but it's light. It's surprisingly light. It looks like it should be heavier, but it's not. So there's a Type-C port and a speaker, and our good old friend 3.5mm jack is on this side. Don't see anything on this side. There are a couple of buttons on this side, so there's volume and power. So alright, so see that? The Edge, I've just turned it on. See how the screen just bends at 90 degrees and Kind of reminds me of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, which also had a very sharp angle just shifting the screen, but the screen is beautiful. The colors are really nice. There are tiny bezels on the top at the bottom, which is fine. There's a punch hole display for the camera. I guess we're gonna take a look at the rest of the phone in our proper review, but this is a quick unboxing for you.